students, I welcome you all in the virtual class of EVS. I hope your studies are going well. Students, today we are going to study a new lesson. That is lesson 8, Let's Be Safe. Students, before starting this lesson, I request you all to open your EVS book so it will be easy for you all to understand the lesson. Students, let's start our lesson. Students, do you know what is safety? Safety means being safe from any kind of danger. Accidents happen when we are careless and they can cause serious injuries. So, we should follow safety rules at home, in a school, on the road, and inside vehicles. Students, safety rules keeps us safe from getting hurt. Now, let us know what are the rules that we must follow at home. Students, we should never play with sharp objects like knives, scissors, blades and compass. Students, we should not touch switches and electric gadgets like an iron, kettle, oven or a toaster with wet hands. Students, we should not touch wires or electric sockets. We should never play with medicines or taste them. We should put our toys back in their place after playing, as we might step on them and fall. We should not play with matchsticks or light them. It can burn our fingers. We should not play in the kitchen or near a gas stove or touch hot pan or hot water. Students, we should not run up and down the stairs as we may fall and hurt ourselves. Students, these were the safety rules that we must follow at home. Now, let us know what are the safety rules that we must follow at a school. We raise our hands to speak and work quietly at our seats. We keep hands to ourselves and use voices soft and sweet. We are helpful to our friends and we keep our places neat. Students, I hope you have understood what I was trying to tell you. Now, let us know about the rules. Students, we should not climb on desks and chairs in class. We might fall and hurt ourselves. Students, while playing on swings, we should never push each other. We should stand away from the swing while waiting for our turn. We should always walk in a queue. Students, we should not push or hit others. Students, these were the safety rules that we must follow at a school. Now, let us know what are the safety rules that we must follow on the road. Students, stop, look and listen before you cross the street. Stop, look and listen before you cross the street. Use your eyes, use your ears before you use your feet. Use your eyes, use your ears before you use your feet. Stop, look and listen before you cross the street. Use your eyes, use your ears before you use your feet. Students, I hope you have understood what I was trying to tell you. Students, we should be very careful on roads. We should always walk on the road with an adult and never alone. We should always hold the hands of an adult while walking on a pavement or while crossing the road. We should always cross the road at a zebra crossing with an adult. We should never play or run on the road. Students, If someone gets hurt, we must give them first aid. Students, do you know what is first aid? First aid is the immediate help given to an injured or a sick person. Students, if the person is not hurt badly, basic first aid helps. Now, let us know what are some first aid tips. We should call an adult or a doctor immediately when you see an injured person or a person who needs help. We should not allow people to crowd around a person who is hurt. We should try to calm down the injured person and give the person water to drink. Students, now let us know about first aid kit. First aid kit contains things necessary for a basic medical treatment. Now, let us know about the things that we should keep in our first aid kit. Cotton wool, bandages, crepe bandage, thermometer, antiseptic cream or lotion, cold pack, a pair of scissors and a pair of tweezers. Students, now let us know what are the safety rules we must follow inside vehicles. Students, each day we ride the bus through school. We listen and follow every rule. Inside we keep our hands and feet. We always sit down in our seat. We use quiet voices so the driver can hear. This way we stay safe all year. Students, we should wait in a queue at a bus stop. We should not push others while boarding the bus. We should wait for the bus to stop before boarding or getting off. We should board the bus in a queue. We should always wear a seat belt while sitting in a car. We should never try to open the door of a moving vehicle. We should never put our hand or head out of the moving vehicle. We should never scream in a moving bus as it may disturb the driver and lead to an accident. Students, I hope you have understood this chapter. Now it's time for an activity. Students, you have to draw any 5 traffic signs in your rough copy. That's all for today. I hope you all have understood this chapter properly. Revise it from your book. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.